Okay guys, so today we're gonna play this game. You're gonna watch me play this video. So today guys, I have Whoopi Gopher. I have Whoopi Gopher, Tom Gopher, and guys I have Maximum Instruction, Black Maxi, Yellow Maxi, Red Maxi, and guys I have Dirty Maxi, Clean Maxi, Dirty Tires, and Fifth and a Burglary Maxi, and another Red Maxi. That's a 1 year anniversary. So guys, I pick Mini, Mo. Puffle, Puffle, Puffle.
Go.
Mini, Mo. Wow.
Whoa.
Wow. Ooh, that was a wipeout crash, guys. Guys, anytime I crash, I switch to a new truck. Mini, Mo. Puffle, 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 Mo. I'm picking my head.
Yeah. Woo! That was a good one.
Meow, guys. Meow, crash. Okay, Dad. This time I hope I get a different truck. Mini, Mo. Puffle, 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 Mo. Mini, Mo. Get this truck.
Woo!
Whoop, crashed, respawned. Woo! Meow. Meow. In the garage, guys. He won this challenge. Mini, Mo. Puffle, 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 Mo! Guys, this is picking, guys. Wow, guys! That's amazing. I thought you were going to keep the video on.
It is. It's going right there. Look at the phone right there. Say, hello, boys and girls.
Hello, boys and girls. So guys,
I'm gonna check.
I picked this gopher next.
Okay, can I launch it?
Yeah, you can launch it.
Okay, I'm gonna try it.
I'm gonna pick.
Wow, that was a good one.
I'm gonna pick this guy down. I'm gonna pick this gopher.
Okay, can I launch it towards us? See if I can jump over the box.
Okay, see if you jump over the box.
Oh, yeah.
You smacked that real hard, Dad.
Yeah.
Let me try.
Yeah, you got him.
I got it way farther than you.
Look at these yellow and red ones. They're really cool. And the one you painted this one black, didn't you?
Yeah.
Look at Gunnar painted this one black. You did a really good job.
Because I needed the Black Maxi instead of begging for that one. So that.
Instead of begging. Look at this one too. This is like the first one. This is the first Max D. He's got them. Gunner's got them all.
But Dad, there's still one coming on the mail, guys.
Oh.
Oh, that I crashed.
There it is. Oh.
Oh, I crashed.
Here, let me try. Let me give it a good one.
Dad, now you get Grave Digger. That's sad.
Oh, Grave Digger's gonna go. Watch Grave Digger go.
Okay.
Whoa! Look at him. He double flip.
He double flipped like, whoa! Ah, that hurt! Grave Digger's gonna go first. Dad, let's switch a higher ramp. Let's switch it to a higher ramp, Dad.
See, I don't know if that was higher. This is different. That's different. Whoa!
Boom.
It comes out funny. Oh, you know what you do? Yeah, I a little bit too like this. Oh wait.
Quick.
We need to click together. We need to put the tracks. We make this back.
Yeah. Oh, my turn.
you got the Avengers over here, we got Iron Man and Captain America. It's pretty sweet. All right, should we say, hey,
What?
keep the video a little short so we can upload quicker?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so you tell them what we're going to do, what's going on. Hey, so point the camera and say, smash that like button, ring that bell, share this video, tell your friends, tell everybody you know. Woo!
Woo!
Grassham's in Alaska.
Grafton in Alaska. Bye,
Yeah,
dude.
bye-bye.
And
Bye,
also
dudes.
ring that bell and smash that like. I don't want to see it red.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Look right in the camera. Say bye.